Greetings and salutations and welcome to that video. This will be probably the last video for a little while in my education series, but for now we're just going to take a little quick tour. It's going to be a really quite short video on the Autodesk Design Academy. For those who don't know the Design Academy was the first and kind of the original home of the Student Expert Network and Student Ambassadors, which has now been transferred over with more emphasis onto the actual Autodesk Ambassador Hub, which if you go to the Community tab, you see it does say Ambassador Hub. It also says groups, and see you can join here from here. Now the main point of the Design Academy at the moment is it's kind of a bit of a middle platform. You've obviously got all your courses and some groups, and people can teach and upload courses. You've also got your portfolio. So if I just go onto my profile, it says my name, it says my college, which I'll blur out. It says that I'm a student ambassador, the original OG ambassador. Got messages from Bjorn, who still is doing all the education stuff, now more over at the Ambassador Hub. You've got the portfolio, where you can more show off stuff you've made, course certificates for courses you finished, and then you overall got your courses section. Courses are ones you're like subscribed and put into. You don't have to pay, but you just kind of say, oh, I'm doing this course, it's just a work in progress. I did do thermal analysis a while back, which is actually quite a good, really good course, which is a Fusion 360 one, but I'm also looking at doing the Introduction to Engineering Graphics and Visualization for Design in Autodesk Inventor, and another one which I was just subscribed to, just remember, which is Linear Material Analysis, so looking more at simulations. And obviously then you got your groups, which is your Student Experts, and then you got Vex Robotics, because I was a roboticist in secondary. And obviously you got your bio. So if you just go over to Learn, you've got all these different courses, and you can just search them. Not every product has them. Like 3DS doesn't have any available, but if you go down to like Fusion, that has stacks of them. Inventor unfortunately only has one, but hopefully more will be coming. There are others listed from Rhino, but obviously there's just a whole variety of things here. So even here you got Principles Design Thinking, so actually there's a whole design process. Teaching, you got a whole teaching page where people can upload and actually teach in the classroom. This is more for teachers, so the whole platform is not just for students to learn things, it's for teachers to upload courses, for resources as well. Portfolios is one of the really cool parts, because you can upload any of your projects to any extent you want, so renders, the actual files, or shrink wrapped or adapted versions, so they don't have everything. But you can see there are some quite nice things here. Laser sniper rifles, modular jets, tires, all beautiful renders, robots, whatever that is, but all sorts. Communities, which is just Ambassador Hub, and groups you can join and collaborate in, but that's more shifted over to the Ambassador Hub. Inspiration, this is more looking at the future and internships and progressing onwards and upwards, and also what to kind of do in the future. And obviously About Us is more the whole, hey, here's what we do, Autodesk Foundation, etc, etc. So on the front of it, this is becoming a bit coming to an end, but it's still going strong, and if people want to upload designs and adapt, feel free to. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.